What do you hope for? And I hope that you have high hopes because it will become a self-fulfilling prophecy. Your hopes and expectations for yourself and for the people around you are very powerful. In fact, King Solomon, what did he say? In Ecclesiastes chapter 9, verse 4, he said, anyone who is among the living has what? Has hope. Even a live dog, kahit buhay na aso, is better off than a dead lion. Diba? Ano yan sa Tagalog? Paki-chat nga. Paki-translate sa Tagalog. Paki-lagay nga sa chat box. Pag translate mo yan sa Tagalog, in Ecclesiastes chapter 9 verse 4, meron namang sumagot. Ito lang yun eh. Habang may buhay, may what? May pag-asa. Tama. Really? Yeah. Say that to yourself. Habang may buhay, may pag-asa. I mean, you just have to